guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a look today with a bit of a twist, and it's a cool twist. Do you see my liner? I am loving it. I saw this somewhere on TikTok. I'll try to find the inspiration and tag her down below because I am loving how this turned out. I think it is so cool. It's like a liner, but not really a liner. It's just an outline, but it's kind of a glitter liner. I don't know. I'm just obsessed with it. It's like all of the above. So I hope that you enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Smitten in Switzerland shadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Fondue. I'm going in with my E38 diffuse crease brush and starting to apply this through my crease. I'm now going into Lucerne. Now switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to start applying this through the crease. And I always kind of just do short little strokes, bringing this towards the inner part of my crease. And I'm using a very light hand. I'm always holding the brush at the very end, just like that, just to keep that nice loose control. And then I can wing it out, so I'm going from the outer part of my lash line towards the tail of my brow and then back. Like a V, just going back and forth like that. I'm picking up Yodel, and now again with this same brush, I'm picking this shadow up and sweeping it through kind of the lower part of my crease. Just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and then start lightly winging this out. Look at how beautifully the shadows just blend into each other. They are so seamless and easy to blend, and the pigment, I barely picked any up on my brush. I barely picked any up on my brush, and it looks so incredible and pigmented. I love these. And now tapping the shadow all over my lid. Look at that, just covered my entire lid with just one pickup of that shadow. Also, don't forget, because these shadows are really pigmented, they might have a little bit of kickback, which is totally fine, nothing to be afraid of. Just tap off your brush so you don't have any fallout on your cheek. So I basically just tap that on, and then I'll just blend through the crease just to make sure there are no harsh lines and everything is really seamless. Now going back into the E38 with nothing on it, just whatever was left from when I applied the transition shade, and just buffing over the crease just to make sure that it's really nice and seamless. For my lower lash line, I'm picking up Lucerne on my E54 medium sweeper brush and just applying that all over and sweeping that down just to blend it out. Now going in with my E15 flat definer brush and Yodel, just applying that on the outer half of my lower lash line, and then sweep that down to smoke it out and just lightly feather that in just to blend it. I'm going into the Pixie and Miriam Maquillage Liquid Shadow in Mirage. I picked the liner up on my EO6 wing liner brush, and I'm going to create the line towards the tail of my brow. And then going back from that line, we're going to create just the outline of the liner. I'm now going into the Benefit Cookie highlight. I'm going to highlight my inner corner with my F70 concealer brush by Sigma. I'm going to apply mascara false lashes, and I'm going into the Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. Now for lipsticks, I'm going to show you guys my favorite lipstick. I've shown you this before, but I cannot stop wearing this. I've been wearing this for a few years now, non-stop, and I love it so much. I feel like it's like my lip shade, but better, and it feels so lightweight, and it stays put all day. This is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in I Create. And that's it. This is a completed look of my Burgundy Smokey Eye with glitter liner. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am loving this twist. I love it so much. I feel like it's really fun and different and kind of just like a different take on a liner and spiced up this simple look. I think it would look incredible if you do a black smokey eye with a silver liner like this. Should I film that? Because that kind of sounds so exciting. I feel like that would look so nice and fierce and sexy and vampy. Ugh. That sounds so nice. I haven't done a black smokey eye in so long. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, I now have 2 different Instagram accounts. One for makeup, which is my Paulina_Elliott that you all know and hopefully follow. And now I have one for my nails. I am so excited. So excited, because nail art was my first love and my first passion. And then we transferred to makeup, but now I'm back doing nails, and obviously I'm still doing makeup, of course. Duh. I'm here doing my makeup for you now. So that Instagram is Paulina Nailed It. Please follow it. I would love if you followed me and supported me on this journey of my nail art and all things nails. It makes me so happy. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.